So our topic is what is more important, TV or radio? So you are going to defend radio. Sir, so who would like to begin? Who would like to start? Yes, please come here. Yes, Atar.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Mohammad Akbar and I'm belong to Group A. This is Mr. Farid Khan, Abdul Basit, Mr. Sami, Mr. Shah, Mr. Sharima and Fazlullah. So today's our topic is the importance between the TV and radio. So my topic is today's radio. So first of all, I am going to defend my point of radio is that this English is before the TV and it has the hospital source of the news and entertainment and other
in radio, we can't see the actual event, but in TV, we see the actual event and lead to the event.
Very good point. Excellent. More.
In TV, we can see and hear, but in the TV, our audio-visual memory also enhances.
Very good. Very good. Good points.
The radio sound is very noisy.
Noisy.
For the clearance of that sound, we change our location again and again.
Yes. Yes. Very
It's
good.
not
Very good. Yes, Mas. What do you think about TV? What is more important? Radio is less used. Radio is less used. Okay, good. Yes, TV is used all around the world. Well done. Good point. Yes, TV has many benefits like cultural, like advertisements. Okay, very good.
radio is less from this. Not addicted. Because TV is addicted. So, money, movies, dramas, everyone can wait for movie, dramas. Like addicted.
Okay, we become addicted when we watch dramas, movies, films. So we become addicted. When we hear radio songs, we do not become addicted. Okay, he is going to reply.
That is depend upon the person. When we use TV, we can educate the children by the help of TV.
Very good. Very good. Well done. By means of TV, we can educate children very well.
Yes, sir, we can educate, but TV also show English films.
TV also shows English channels. Some children cannot understand.
Yes, sir.
Cannot understand their language.
But we can
Stop. You will be given chance. Wait.
I didn't see anyone can learn from TV. I see a lot of people use social media like TikTok, Facebook.
They do not learn from TV. Okay, he is saying that I have not seen any person who learns from TV. They are busy in social media using TikTok, Facebook and many social media accounts. Yes.
Social media like TikTok is also another part of TV.
Yes, it is also another part of TV.
Sir,
Okay.
nowadays the shortage of electricity is common, so TV required electricity, but
Good.
it's the main point that
Yes, there is a lot of load shedding.
cable, any other source, and some people are not afford this.
Some people cannot afford because nowadays load shedding is increasing day by day.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Because we can run on our mobiles.
We can learn by our mobiles. We can watch TV in our mobiles. Very good. Good point.
So we can also use a radio in our mobile.
We can also use radio in our mobiles. Okay, what about your hand free? If it is out of order, what will you do?
So now that CD is out, we can use without hand.
Without hand free,
Yes, and Android.
is it possible to use radio?
Yes, sir. And Android. Only in Android.
Okay. I have an Android mobile, but I cannot use without hand free.
So I can.
You can use. I don't know how. Yes, आप भी कुछ बोलें. Yes.
90% people are learning by doing.
Learning by doing.
Good, good, good. Good. Part of TV. Okay, good. 90% people learn or get news from TV. They learn by TV. Projector is also a part of TV, he's saying.
TV is not portable, sir.
TV is not portable. You cannot carry.
It can disturb all the members of your family.
Can you carry your TV in the aeroplane?
No, sir.
No, na? So is it very good. You can carry in your mobile. You can watch TV in mobile.
We are not discussing about the mobile. Sir, here we are not discussing about mobile.
TV also comes in mobile.
And then first of all, you have done the air mode also.
Aeroplane mode. Very good. Very good point. Excellent point. He said only one point, but very excellent. Radio has limited channels. Very good. And TV has a lot of channels. More than 200, 500 channels all over the world. Only one country has more than 200 channels. One country.
Sir, we are limited at many more and more.
Yes, he wants to say something.
Misuse.
Yes, our children are spoiled. Our children are getting spoiled by means of TV. TV is spoiling our children. Very good.
Yes, sir.
It shows vulgarity.
Yes, sir.
That is a good point. Very good point. Yes, yes.
We can easily adjust channels for children and for children.
You can adjust very good channels. You should keep your eye.
In our TV, like for children and for children.
Yes, answer, good answer, very good. You should keep the channels that children can watch easily. You should keep the channel saved. You should not allow your children to watch every channel. Very good. Yes.
Nowadays, children won't give us the remote and they
Very good. Good.
watching cartoons and anything they want.
All the time children, they have the remote control. They do not give their remote control to parents.
And if the students they exercise and if somebody is addicted, they can reach goal and
Very good. When person becomes addicted, okay, they can have many diseases by watching TVs, like a mental problem and also physical fatigue. You get tired, and it gets you tired. It happens when you sit on the fixed place, so you become tired. Your eyes get tired.
Sir, the other disadvantage of a TV is that TV, mother also watches TV and they do not give a proper time to their children.
Very good point.
Yes, sir.
Excellent point.
They are also interested in drama.
Drama.
Yes, sir.
She does not know what my child is doing.
The husband is also complained because the wife is busy on dramas.
So how will she nourish? How will she educate? Very good point. आप बोलना चाह रहे हैं? ओके, बोले आप बोले.
TV also have a negative effect on our health like obesity, anxiety, depression, next technique. They can also the negative effect of
Negative effects of TV. Yes, it gives you disease. It gives you disease like backache. Okay, and affection of eyes. It affects you.
we also hear song of Purvana, but the TV we are watching the duration of Purvana.
Okay, very good. Okay, listening is aram. Also, when you hear songs on radio, it is also aram.
No, sir. These
When the children will see bad people on TV,
Good.
future then will become bad.
Okay, what is the main source of getting information, TV or radio? How? Yes. Example, war. We are getting information by watching. Yes. We cannot see their pen. When we watch TV, we see what is happening there. We can feel their pen by watching their injuries, their pen, their damages. So we can feel the pen. Very good point. You cannot feel the pen when you hear the news on radio about the war. Very good point. Yes.
Sir, but there were no TV.
After him.
We want the real type of situation like Syria, Syria, war, like Israel. We have what we just hear, not watch.
Very good point. We just hear on radio, but when we watch TV, we get information what is happening there. Yes.
Most advantage of radio is that we are unable to do our work and we put the
And do our work.
Yes. We hear the radio and we start our work. We do our work. It gives you benefit when you have radio. We cannot have TV on our lap and we start working. We cannot put TV on our lap when you don't have mobile. Suppose. Yes. Yes. Radio is the first source of media. Okay, which source came first, radio or TV? Which came first? Radio appeared first. Radio appeared first. Then TV introduced. It was introduced. Yes, technology is updated daily. What about COVID-19? Who gives us information, radio or TV about the COVID? TV? Yes. Okay, if crime is committed somewhere, any crime is committed, so how will we get notified? By means of TV or by means of radio? How will we recognize the criminal? By TV or radio? How?
because the police have used the science center and the fire brigade and the sports, the shed and the goods. So the auditor will be given.
Auditly.
We can make detail by the person.
Okay. You can give the information to the person.
And also the image can change so the provider can be changed by the name.
Yes, it can be changed. Good.
My topic is radio. We talk about radio. Radio is the source of news. The source of news. Reviews are less expensive. Available everywhere. Radio is also portable.
Yes, radio is portable. Good.
It is less expensive and used everyone. Available everywhere. Radio is also the part of our culture.
It was, yes, in past, it was part of our culture. Okay, more?
Give us a relaxation like songs and many things.
Yes, very good. Radio gives us relaxation, like the way of songs. Good.
The most important very kind of important radio is because there no need of electricity.
Yes, it doesn't it need electricity? Radio doesn't need charging. How will you charge your radio? Cell is also comes in electricity. It is also charged. It is also charged one. It is also charged one. Am I right? Yes, cells are very expensive. Very good.
What is the price?
We cannot find market.
We cannot find in markets. We cannot find markets. Okay, good. More. Okay, thank you so much. Sure.
Sir, today my topic is radio is not more important than TV. Yeah, I agree because you can move radio anywhere. You can listen radio everywhere. You have a choice to listen your own favorite channel.
Ah,
Yes,
good,
sir.
good, good.
You can hear also Gulbana songs on radio.
Okay, very good.
Sir, and
Wait, wait.
no, it creates suspense. Sir, radio is also less expensive.
It is less expensive. Very good.
Yes, sir. And it does not affect on our eyes because overwatching
Excellent
of TV,
point.
Overwatching of TV can affect on our eyes.
Good point.
And the children
They get
overuse
affected.
the TV watching and affects.
And they wear glasses.
Yes.
Like 5 or 6 years old boys and girls, they are wearing glasses. Why? Because they watch TV a lot.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Well,
In radio, we can't see the actual event, but in TV, we see the actual event and lead to the event.
very good point. Excellent. More.
In TV, we can see and hear, but in the TV, our audio-visual memory also enhances.
Very good. Very good. Good points.
The radio sound is very noisy.
Noisy.
For the clearance of that sound, we change our location again and again.
Yes, yes.
When
Very
it's
good.
not
Very good.
we can learn skill from the TV through our visual ability.
Very good. Excellent points. Finish. Well done. Well.
Sir, TV gives a lot of weakness. First of all, there is a poor signal hit by a cable, hit by the linear signal. There is a visibility problem and it may disturb our eye vision and also interrupt with the sound quality also. So there is the same complication with the radio and the TV board. In the TV, every noise cannot adjust sounds, irritable sounds, and the radio we can adjust it by moving here and here.
Okay. Good. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Sir,
Nowadays, TV is more important than radio. Because it's something watching drama, movies, entertainment.
Yes, we can have information by the way of TV, like dramas, TV, movies, news. Okay, good. Finish.
people do not show themselves when he were a witness. Yes, sir.
Okay, when they wear mask or something, so we cannot recognize them, but at least we can show them by means of TV.
सर मैं आपको कुछ बताती हूँ
हाँ बोलें.
सर मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ कि कुछ लोग अगर कोई गवाह है किसी ने देखा हो तो वो समटाइम टीवी पे नहीं आ सकता तो रेडियो के जरिए जो है वो बता सकता है.
Yes, very good point. Very good point. He can give information. Witness sometimes does not appear in front of TV.
Yes, sir.
So by means of his voice,
Yes,
he
sir.
just informs the radio
Yes,
that
sir.
I saw the crime there.
वो सामने आएगा तो
He will not come here. Very good.
So we can that the image. So we live in a modern era, so a lot of software can remove the blurriness from the cancer.
Yes, very good. It is a modern era. Yes. कौन कहना चाह रहा था यहाँ से? Finish. Finish. They are the winners. Well done. Good. And they also gave us very nice information about TV. Well done. You defended very well. Clap for both parties, both teams. Well done. Good.